Rock phosphate is one of the most essential fertilizers for plants because it's the only pure source of phosphorus. And phosphorus helps in so many ways. We will learn all about that in this video, about its benefits, how to use it, side effects and much more. So keep watching and do subscribe to our channel. Rock phosphate is a powdered form of fertilizer made from sedimentary rocks. It comes in a light brownish color with a very soft, powdery texture. Nutrition-wise, it only provides one element, that is phosphorus. Yes, it has some trace elements, but it's used because of its phosphorus, which promotes more roots, pups, and better fruiting on the plant. There are a lot of benefits rock phosphate provides to our plants. This includes its effect on the soil health. It makes the soil better in terms of drainage, retention, and softness. Regular use of rock phosphate makes up the immune system of the plant, means better defense against minor problems. Rock phosphate also promotes more roots and hence more pups on the plant. One quality of rock phosphate is its long-lasting effect. It's an organic fertilizer that dissolves in the soil slowly and resulting in a longer effect on the plant. Rock phosphate is also useful for root vegetables. It makes them bigger, better and tasteful. It also contains some amounts of calcium that is so useful for plants. You should learn about calcium uses for plants from the description box video. Rock phosphate is also helpful in seeds media to improve the germination of seeds. Overall, rock phosphate is super useful for soil media, immune system, roots, root vegetables and so on. So why don't we give it a try? Using the rock phosphate in a correct way is the key thing to get maximum benefits. So let's know them one by one. The first and the most useful way to use rock phosphate fertilizer is to mix it in the soil while preparing it. For instance, you are preparing a potting mix for vegetable plants or seeds. Here you can just add 1 tablespoon of rock phosphate in it and that's it. Grow your vegetables in it and enjoy better and bigger harvest. Another way to use rock phosphate is to mix it in the compost while preparing it or after it's made. Both the ways, the rock phosphate will dissolve fully in the compost, making it phosphorus enriched. And this way plant will get phosphorus indirectly. Apply the compost as same as before. You can also buy a good quality rock phosphate from the description box and do subscribe to our channel. Another simple way to use rock phosphate is to just add it over the soil of a potted plant. Around 1 tablespoon is enough for a 6 to 8 inches pot every month. Or in the growing season, you can use it twice a month, but not more than this. Mix very well with the soil. Try to apply it a little away from the trunk. Water frequently so the rock phosphate can be absorbed by the roots. Best time to use rock phosphate would be cool evening. Following a correct way, you can use rock phosphate fertilizer on all kind of plants. Either it's a vegetable plant, a flowering plant, a bigger tree or a small house plant, a cacti or a succulent. Just don't use too much. There are also some side effects of rock phosphate you should know about. Too much use of rock phosphate can cause nutrition imbalance, means the phosphorus and calcium might be high in the soil, but that's not all the plant requires. So you should also consider using other fertilizers side by side. You can check out our detailed playlist on a variety of organic fertilizers from the description box. A poor quality rock phosphate can cause soil contamination, which may appear in such a powdery form over the soil. So buy from an authentic source. One is also linked in the description box. You can buy that. Rock phosphate is not a quick fix, means if you are using it to fix a problem, it's not gonna work. Rock phosphate works slowly and steadily. You should consider some other phosphorus enriched fertilizers. You can follow this video. Here I tried to show you some kitchen based alternatives of rock phosphate. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.